Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the project overview of NCC Urban Signature Towers by NCC Urban Infrastructure Limited. Now the project is located in Sollingalannur, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. But before starting, let me show you the surrounding of the project. As you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project and this behind me is the marketing office and that is your land parcel. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. You see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with a lot of brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done with the developer by giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Now in this video, we will be discussing the below points like the project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. So let's get this video started. Next, coming over to the project overview, NCC Urban Signature Towers is a premium residential apartment project which is spread across approximately 7.6 acres of land offering. The project consists of 7 residential towers, each with 2 levels of parking, 1 stilt, plus 15 floors and houses, which is a total unit of 770 residential. Well designed 2, 2.5 and 3 BHK apartments. Coming over to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located in Sollingalannur, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Now, as you can see, this is the connectivity for the road. The nearby connectivity OMR IT corridor only 5 minutes away from here. Sollingalannur Junction only 5 minutes away. Leading schools and colleges also 5 minutes away from here. And the Chennai city connectivity via OMR is just a few minutes away from here. Coming over to the amenities part, the project offers a lot of lifestyle amenities such as a clubhouse which is 15,000 square feet. There is swimming pool, a fully equipped gymnasium, jogging track, children's play area, indoor games, landscape open spaces and many more. Now, coming over to the super built-up area, as said, the project offers spacious apartments with approximate super built-up area for 2 BHKs 1073 to 1077, 2.5 BHKs 1433 and 3 BHKs 1510 square feet. Now, coming over to the booking process, let's discuss the booking process. So right now the project booking windows are open and the clients are invited to the site where our sales team will explain the complete project details, will share you the pricing, payment plans and offers as well. We will also show you the sample apartment or the model unit, and if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking with a certain token amount. So everyone, this was the project overview of NCC Urban Signature Towers, which is located in Sollingalannur, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Lastly, do not forget to subscribe to Housey for more such amazing videos.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.